So you have a door like we do. When we bought this house, the main door has a doorbell, which is expected, right? But the previous owners of this house, they built on a mudroom extension to the house and no doorbell. It's wired, but like wired for power, but no doorbell. Not that it's a big deal, but most of the people that come to our house come through the mudroom. So it's also on the far end of the house, which means if I'm on this end of the house and someone knocks, I don't hear it. So we wanted a doorbell, and that's not this. That's not this. We wanted a doorbell. It's this. This is it right here. So I bought this. It's tiny. It was 1995 or 97 or something like that. Wireless doorbell. Yeah. So we're going to take a look at what you get for $20, because I think for a lot of us, we just need something, right? And we don't need to wire it. It uses its own probably wireless signal. It's probably just connected, and see if it's worth $20. Okay, I'll put links down below to where you guys can see this if you're interested. It does say it's a wireless range of about 1,000 feet, so don't go putting the doorbell too far. We're going to put the doorbell, the actual doorbell dinger, in the same room, I think. Yeah, operating range 150 meters in open area, wireless range 1,000 feet. It's weird that they talk about feet and then meters all in the same. Frequency 433 megahertz, 5 levels of adjustable volume. Receiver working voltage. It's got stuff on it. So you guys, can you read that? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know. But this is it. Now, my thought is this is going to be just automatically paired to each other. So you're going to take your doorbell and you're going to stick it where you want it stuck. You're going to take the actual doorbell dinger. That's the term, doorbell dinger, wireless doorbell, and stick it in an outlet. And that's it. It's done. You don't, there's nothing else. And that's kind of what I like. We were actually looking at like a doorbell camera. But we have a lot of cameras already, so I was like, why spend the extra money when I don't need it? Something easy and simple probably is better for that door at least. So that's the hope. Anyways, this is what you get. This is what you get. You get a little bag here with like screws to screw this into your door frame, or it looks like you can just use a sticky. Chances are good I'm going to just use the sticky because I'm, lazy like that. This, as you can see, there's the doorbell. This is what's going to go on the actual door. You're going to pull this out, I guess, to have the battery. My question is, I'm gonna open it. Should I open it? Yep, I'm opening it. It's happening. Inside here, is there a screw or something in there? It doesn't look like it. So it's a watch battery, just so you guys know. It's not touching because of this. But that's what it needs. It's a watch battery. Now, the one thing you will realize, because this is not going to connect, like it's not a smart anything, it's not connecting to your phone or anything like that. I don't know if this is going to change colors or anything like after X amount of time. There's also no manual. I just noticed, is there no manual? Oh no, there is a manual. There's a manual. Don't worry. Here it is. Wireless doorbell user manual. I was wondering if there was like what you should know. Test it. Yep. Set a desired music. Wow. Transmitters before installation for doorbell settings. See operations. Okay, there's music. There's music. Okay. Product. Yeah. Music control. Cool. I don't really care. Connect a push button. My God, this seems like so many things going on here. Variable tone pairing, fixed tone pairing. Okay, I don't think you and I are going to go through all this. I think I'm just going to do it, and then we'll go and show it to you. Anyways, this is it, because I think this is, where am I? This is the cheapest, most inexpensive. You're going to pull this out so the battery becomes active. This is the part that goes in your wall outlet. Again, don't put it too far away because it needs to be able to talk. Oh, there's the buttons right there, right? So there's your ringer volume, and you're able to choose what ringer you want, right? Because it's got a little, you guys may be able to see that, or am I here? right? A little ringer there, and then a volume right there. So you can choose what it sounds like. Okay, that seems pretty simple. And I think they just, as far as I can tell, I think they just pair to each other, you know? Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna just plug this in here. Oh, so you guys, maybe you'll see that. That just, something happened. There's buttons over here. Okay. That sounds all right. Just seems to go to that one. Oh. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Some are more annoying than others. I'm going with the standard just bell. And then of course the bottom one is the volume. You can go quieter, right? There we go. That's loudest, I think. Cool. And then we're going to take this off. Okay. Done. Right? See? That's it. It's connected. See, that's fast. So I'm going to go plug this in upstairs and we'll see how it works. All right. So pardon the weird buzzing sound behind me. We have something working in the background. I'm going to plug this in here, right there. All right, that's good. That's actually in the kitchen, so I think if the doorbell rings, that'll be a good spot for it. I've put the sticky on it already. You guys can see that, right? The sticky's there already, so I peeled it all off. The hope is now that, and I wanted to do this today because, number one, it's going to get cold soon, so I have my August door lock. So I'm going to put the doorbell right above it. Just right there. Does it have to be perfectly straight? It would be nice if it is, I guess. That's not straight at all. You realize doing this with one hand sucks. Okay, that's close enough. Doorbell. There. Okay, it's all looking good. I don't think that's going to fall off. This one didn't. So I don't think this one should. Okay, here's the question. Ready? Listen. Listen. Ding dong! Okay, that's a win. 20 bucks? Super happy. That's gonna save me a lot because I get a lot of Purolator and FedEx and stuff come, and they always come to this door. They knock. I don't hear it. So, sweet. All right, guys, 20 bucks. I'll leave links down below if you need a doorbell for whatever reason. It's the easy way to go. All right, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. And that's it. Later, my friends.